love, una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat sa pagtiyaga at paghintay mo sa akin. Salamat sa pangunawa sa mga shortcomings ko. How blessed I am that I found someone what he say is what he does. Someone that proves to me that promises is made to be fulfilled.
Panginoon, ang nais ko, kagandahan mo ay pagmasdan ang pag-ibig mo.
Noong tayo ay nagkailanlan, nabihag mo na ang aking puso't isipan. Salamat sa Diyos dahil ito ang ating tadhana at kapalaran. Magkaisa ang ating pagmamahalan nang sa ganon mapurihan natin ang ating Diyos na lumikha ng sanlibutan. I am here now, standing in front of you, and to everyone to tell you that I am ready to take you as my wife, to have and to hold from this day forward.
Mananatili sa iyong lilim at sasambahin ka sa dakong lihim. Mananatili sa iyong lilim nang masumpungan ka sa dakong lihim.
Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans. At patuloy na si Jesus is the center of our relationship at sabay tayong lalago.
Panginoon, ang ngalan mo.
I pledge to honor you, love you, and cherish you as my partner today, tomorrow, and every day. This is my commitment to our Lord Jesus Christ. Mamahalin kita, alagaan, at unawain.
Salita mo'y pangalan.
Thank you for this! So now, in the presence of God, our family, and our friends, I promise na mamahalin kita ng buong buo at hindi kita pagtataksilan. I promise that I will try my very best to become a wife that you are more than deserve.
God bless you. I'm so much appreciate this gift. God bless.
Panginoon, ang puso ko sa'yo magpakailanman. Ang papuri ko ay tanging sa'yo, sa'yo lamang iniaalay. O Panginoon, ang puso ko sa'yo magpakailanman.
I promise to give you a selfless love that God gave to us, especially in hard times. I pray that our marriage will always give glory to the Lord, and let us serve and glorify the Lord together. God bless you, and I love you with the love of the Lord.